Okay, so here's the routine that I do pretty much every night to get myself to sleep. So we are in my bedroom and I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I do, have been doing for more than 20 years. So foot oiling, have you thought about doing it? And do you have the question that I get asked pretty much every week? How do I do it without destroying my bed? And I'm gonna walk you through step by step, all the paraphernalia, all the things, exactly what I do before I go to bed every night. You wanna establish this as a routine now so that when, you know, hard times sometimes come, and so when they do, you've got this in place, it will support you. But also for like good fun times, I get really excited about things and then I can't sleep at night. So I do this every night, and it's interesting. Sometimes I will not do it, I'll forget to do it, or I'll be out of the oil in the basket next to my bed or whatever. And my body will wake me up in the night, not always, but I'll wake up and it'll be like, wait, you didn't oil. Remember, you have all your nerve endings in your feet. You can access your entire body through your feet, okay? And there's lots of little different things you can do. You can like take what I do here today and go, oh, I think I'll add this, I'll add that. But what I'm gonna do now is take you and show you step by step exactly what I do. Okay, so I like to wash my feet before I oil them. You can do that in your bathtub or your shower. Or what I like to do is get one of these like little Rubbermaid foot basins. And then I'll just let my feet soak in here for, you know, just a couple minutes so that my feet get warm and clean. Okay, so here's my paraphernalia. I've got towel, I've got my oils, I've got my foot basin, I've got some really colors that are pleasing to me, a flannel pillowcase, flannel sheets. I just kind of sit here, let go of my day, and I'll just, you know, I kind of meditate here and just let myself settle for a couple minutes. So I actually keep a little pile of strips of flannel sheets or pillowcases at the end of my bed. I mean, that way I don't have to go get it every night. I just have a little pile here, and when they're done, I put another one there. So it's just one less thing I have to do, one less obstacle. Okay, I'm gonna use self-heal oil today. And you can just do, you know, you can do a quick job. Just get it on there. Make sure you get your ankle, bottom of your feet, and be done. Or you can just really take your time, you know, feel all the sore spots. And my feet are never clean, no matter how much I wash them, because I walk in the dirt. I garden in the dirt every day barefoot. So you just oil up your feet, you do both of them, and then you wrap them. Wrap them in the pillowcase like that, and you put both of them in there. And you go to sleep. Okay, so here's what I have in my basket next to my bed right now. Of course, St. John's wort, rose petal oil, mugwort. I love you so much. This is a blend of lavender and rosemary. I have hops. Oh my gosh, if you haven't made hops oil, this stuff is incredible. And then we have our self-heal that we used, and frankincense. And so the thing is, these are premium herbal infused oils. You will not find this information on how to make these on YouTube. This is what I teach in my Handcrafted Healing Herbal Oils course. And each herb actually has its own little nuance of what it likes. If you're gonna spend the money on the carrier oils and the plants, you wanna make premium herbal infused oils. So the thing is that what I can do is I can help you skip over all the incomplete information that's on YouTube that you actually don't even know it's incomplete. You just later on think like, why did that batch go bad? Or couldn't it have lasted longer? Or why isn't it quite the color? And you can get into class with me in Handcrafted Healing Herbal Oils, and I mentor you all the way. I am there. That's what I'm known for. That's my superpower, is really helping you make the best herbal infused oils. These oils are for you. They're for you and for your family. They're a home healing art. This is your herbal medicine daily, right? This is how you do herbal medicine every day. So there you have it. That's how I get to sleep. Thanks for coming into my bedroom with me. I'm wondering if you can see yourself doing this, right? What herbal infused oil would you like to use? Also, if you're really interested in herbal oil mastery, you want to know why your oils don't go bad, you can join me in Handcrafted Healing Herbal Oils. You can click a link on this page, and happy oiling.